In this video, I will show you how you can install apps from unknown sources on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just search this. Now first of all, just search Auto Blocker, then tap on Auto Blocker. Now if your tablet supports the Auto Blocker feature, just turn it off. Now just enter your lock screen PIN or pattern. And after you do that, then just go back. And in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just tap on Install Unknown Apps. Tap on Install Unknown Apps. Now from this list, just enable the toggle for the app from where you want to install your apps. For an example, since we are trying to install an app from Google Chrome, I will enable the toggle for Google Chrome. And after you've done that, now just open the app from where you want to install your app. And as you can see, this is how you can install apps from unknown sources on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.